Hey all, this is Steve, Front House General Manager at Pablo Center. Welcome to another session of Mix It Up. Carol Fleetwood is our special event manager here at Pablo, and she creates these spectacular events here. Often she needs a specialty cocktail to celebrate the occasion. So the cocktail I'm going to make today highlights Silver Spring Family Farms here in Eau Claire, Wisconsin. I'm going to be making a Jalapeno Cucumber Horseradish Margarita. The ingredients you're going to need today are Cointreau or triple sec, a good tequila, some kosher salt on a plate, sea salt at the minimum. You're also going to need some lime, cucumber, and some jalapeno slices. And then we also have made a simple syrup made with Silver Spring's horseradish. It's 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of water, and 1 teaspoon of horseradish. To build this drink, we're going to start in a shaker. 3 slices of cucumber. I'm going to use 3 slices of jalapeno. And I'm going to squeeze in 2/4 of a lime. Just cut your lime in quarters, squeeze in 2 of those. I'm also going to add 1 ounce of my simple syrup. I'm going to mull these all together just to get all those flavors married together. We're going to add ice to the top of our shaker. We're going to add 2 ounces of lime juice, 2 ounces of tequila, and 1 ounce of Cointreau or triple sec. Put our shaker top on. We're going to take our highball glass, rim it with a lime, dip it into our salt, create a nice salt rim on it. Fill it to the top with ice, and we're going to shake. We're just trying to get air throughout the whole drink to get it all mixed up with. And strain over the ice. Garnish with a cherry tomato, a cucumber ribbon, and a jalapeno. Cheers from Pablo. Spicy cucumber, jalapeno, horseradish, margarita, thanks to Silver Spring Farms.